Good day, everybody. Thank you, Andrew, for having me, and it's a pleasure to be here. I still believe that the economic and political drivers for private sector participation in the Middle East are still there, and hence they will continue to drive that. Now, it's worth highlighting that the private sector is not only bringing off-balance sheet financing and cash access, but also the efficiency through cost management that's driving the tariffs to low levels that is benefiting the authorities and end users. But also, I would urge governments and their authorities to be more structured, have the right framework, the right processes, realistic timelines, and the right communications. And on top of that, to have the right mix of risk allocation, where the government will take more on the market and demand-related risk, such as the water quality and offtake, and also the macroeconomic one, such as forex and inflation. But most importantly nowadays is the termination risk, such as the change in law and force majeure, political and natural. From my point of view, the decoupling was mainly driven by efficiency and will continue to be so. So from power sector, we started seeing the last few years, they're using nuclear and renewable energy, while on the water side, they are adopting reverse osmosis, which is clearly more efficient compared to the thermal technologies. I still believe this will continue in that direction. One thing interesting is happening is where I see a recoupling, where renewable energy is being an integral part of all large desalination plants and wastewater treatment plants. So I would say water and power will continue to be coupled, but in a different way. I think the pandemic had made it very clear that the most important thing is the security of supply. However, security of supply, I would say we need to tackle it from two ends. The first one is to make sure we have the right network, the right efficiency, and the minimum, obviously, non-revenue water. But at the same time, we need to have the right coverage, whether it's for water or wastewater. I'll give an example where Saudi Arabia, currently their wastewater network coverage is less than 60%, but they have an ambitious plan to reach to 95% by 2030. So this will continue a sector that is resilient and will continue to attract investment. It's worth also bringing into this the water reuse, where we see in the Middle East that the majority of the water reuse is being directed to agriculture and landscaping. I see that will become less and less, and we redirect that to more lucrative sectors such as industries. I think from our perspective in Mott MacDonald, we deliver social, economic, and environmental value by connecting innovation to outcomes. And this is all will be powered or is powered by a technological platform we have called Mowata. So I think digital by itself will not be solving or accelerating the solutions. If we bring the likes of asset management, carbon management with digital, this will be a real transformation in the sector. Now, from the outlook point of view, globally, we see some regions such as Northern Europe, Australia, and Singapore. They're well advanced, while others, they're picking up their game, and there is a growth momentum, such as North America, China, and potentially Saudi Arabia. From investment point of view, I do believe that data collection will continue to be a major component in investment, followed by the hardware and the data management. And for application point of view, network will continue to be the dominant part, followed by customer service.